Kasukuwere has got ambitions to be president. They knew he was a stumbling block in some way, so they had to get rid of him in one way or the other. So having people in Mashonaland Central trying to demonstrate or protest against Kasukuwere shows that the top leadership has given a nod. Because remember, in last year when we tried to hold demonstrations against Kasukuwere at the City Sports Center, police was unleashed on us. So they used tear gas, they used water cannons on the war veterans because they wanted to say something against Kasukuwere. And now you have issues that members from Kasukuwere side who were trying to organize a counter demo were arrested. So you know the state is involved. And who is the head of the state? Because police, on political issues, they work on instructions. So you must then be knowing that who is behind and who is doing what.
Yeah. From your thinking, why would Kasukuwere wants to block the demo against Sandimoyo and Mahoka?
From what I got, Kasukuwere had created parallel structures in the Women's League, making it difficult for the First Lady to operate as the head of the Women's League. So he was working in cahoots with Sandimoyo. So when if you remember very well, when these people held demonstrations against Sandimoyo and Sarah Mahoka, there were placards also denouncing the Tutsi handlers, who in this case includes Kasukuwere. So when they said, no, we are coming for your handlers, they also meant Kasukuwere, and which came to pass.